just got a very exciting package in the mail. Let's open it. Just kidding, I already opened it, but I want to show you guys what I got. As someone with like 100 followers, I was so surprised that they wanted to work with me, but I got this lovely package from Mask Sheets, which is a K-beauty retailer. They sent me so much stuff. I was not expecting this much at all, but most importantly, they wrote me a letter. I love handwritten letters, guys, so this is so sweet. Oh, thank you. So many like cute stickers. How cute is that? They also sent me a bunch of like, what do you call this? Samples. Love this. First thing is this Heal toner pad. It's crazy because I've actually been wanting to try this one because of my acne scars, so very excited to try this. Next, one of my favorite masks. I don't know how they knew. I'm excited to try this. I love Heal sheet masks. These are so amazing. Thank you. How did you guys know? Next skincare related thing is this SPF by Round Lab, and I already really like this product. I saw a video on TikTok where this covered sun the most, or like the most efficiently, so I've been really liking this. Now moving on to makeup stuff. They sent me this cushion foundation by Unleasha. I know the other version of this is really popular. Honestly, still learning how to master cushion foundations, but I'm excited to try with this one. So freaking cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It really looks like Barbie makeup. How cute is that? Should I try this right now, or should I try it in another video? I'm just gonna try it right now. You're supposed to click it on the side and it comes up. Wow. I don't have anything on my face right now. Oh, I don't want to get this dirty. Does anyone have that problem, or is it just me? Let's try it out. Tap off the excess. I thought it wasn't going onto my skin, but I think it's just that good of a shade match. Glow. Okay. Next, this is the Melting Candy Balm in Nudie Fig by Daisy. Ooh, one of those clicky ones. Oh, that's a really pretty color. Ooh. That's so pretty. I think because I have low visual weight, if I have really bright colors or a lot of makeup on my face, it doesn't look good. Last thing that they sent me is, I believe, another lip product. Yeah, Sea Dewy Tint in Papaya Milk, also by Daisy. Oh, it smells really good. It smells like candy. Ooh, I'm actually really obsessed with my lips. Thank you, Mask Sheets, for sending me so many great products. By the way, guys, they're having an insane Christmas/holiday sale right now. Most of the stuff on their website is like 50 to 75% off, which is crazy. Some of the most affordable pricing that I've seen anywhere online right now, so definitely take advantage of that. Also use my code for an additional 5% off, which is literally wild. Thank you so much to the team at Mask Sheets. I'm very, very grateful. Make sure to take advantage of this holiday sale.